Let's check out the DK63 60% mechanical gaming keyboard by Dierya. You have the cap puller that can help you out to really intensify and take it to the next level. I ran this leisure wise and I also ran this with some back for blood. I tend to favor the wireless components because I'm not really getting as sweaty in terms of gameplay. Having the ergonomic appeal and the mechanisms of it that can really take it to an intermediate style of gameplay. This is for someone that's looking to transition from console and looking to go into KB&M, or if you're already using a PC and just want to kind of weigh out your options. The color of the keyboard is white. Bluetooth compatibility, also has red switches. It is wireless in functionality. If you're looking to get a little bit more sweaty, they actually do provide the Type-C cable, which is perfect if you're looking to plug in and really get less latency and more if you're streaming high.